We've all seen the headlines. A chatbot leaks data, a support bot promises a free car, or an agent updates the wrong records. Most of these incidents weren't bad luck, they were a lack of risk assessment. And AI risk assessment isn't about saying no to innovation. It's about mapping out what could go wrong, estimating the impact, and adding controls. It turns this feels scary into a clear, manageable plan. Start with two basics. First, define the use case. Is the AI just drafting emails, or is it making loan decisions? The higher the impact, the stricter the review. Second, map the data. What is going into the prompt? What is being uploaded? If you are handling customer data or internal secrets, your risk level just jumped. Every assessment should look for the big five. 1. Hallucinations. Will the AI confidently state a fake policy? 2. Privacy. Where is the data stored and for how long? 3. Prompt injection. Can an untrusted PDF or web page trick the AI? 4. Bias. Will the model perform worse for certain groups of people? And 5. Tool misuse. If the AI has hands like email or API access, can it take rogue actions? Now, add controls. Instead of just hoping for the best, use human-in-the-loop approvals. Use least privilege so agents are read-only by default. Use RAG with citations to stop hallucinations. Finally, make your ship decision. Low risk. Ship with basic monitoring. Medium ship as a restricted pilot. High. Do not ship until you have formal approval gates. Remember, an AI risk assessment is a living document. As the model updates or your data changes, your assessment needs to update too. Don't ship blind. Assess the risk first. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow. Thanks for watching.